yung difference.
We're heading to Boqueria.
Basta masipag ka lang talaga.
Daming tao. Tingin kami doon kung anong street food meron sila.
Okay.
Go!
Naka-tatlo, apat. Kasi?
Okay, let's go. Boqueria. There's street food inside. Let's see. Maki-issuso kung anong meron doon. Nakita ko na yung fuet. Yung fuet nakasabit. Yan ang gusto nila, fuet. It's covered with, I don't know, it's a white color meat. Yeah, white color one. We have Iberico. Yeah, see, it's fuet paprika, fuet longanisa here, left and right, longanisa, ham. Anong ma-recommend mo dito? Pwedeng pika-pika, Rose? Sweets. Sweets. Everywhere is sweets. All sweets.
Do you want to buy?
Doon sana.
Do you want to buy?
Later. Buti pa dito nag-English na. All sweets. Sweets everywhere. This one is spices. Dry herbs. There's a rambutan. Ha?
Uy, ice cream, gelato.
Hola.
Algo.
Mamasyal lang kami. Hola, bili na kayo.
Laki ng dates nila, oh.
Viva Pilipinas!
Viva Pilipinas!
Ekonomika.
Laki ng dates nila. Filipina store, Vienda Pilipina.
Cereza? Let's explore.
Sa yung iba na, yung hindi matamis.